track inaenda kwa wazi wote wa ma3, dere wa ma3, konda wa ma3, pia kama una. Hii track inaenda kwa wazi wote wa ma3, dere wa ma3, konda wa ma3, pia kama unapanda ma3. Necessary noise.
Boy, 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 that Kenyan boy make me heart skip a bit like boy. The way he move on the dance star boy. He a original Kenyan boy.
Yo, Wyre, the love child, Nazizi.
Hello, what's up? How you doing, my friends? How you doing today? And thank you so very much for being here, for watching my videos. And I do reaction videos. My name is Winnie, and today I'm going to be reacting on Kenyan Boy, Kenyan Girl by the Necessary Noise. That is Nazizi and Wyre. Back in the day song, it was a hit. Oh my gosh, this song ilikuwa hit, ilitesa kutesa, and it was one of the best songs back in the days, and I loved it so much. So today I've decided to remember this song for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, of course. And don't forget to like the video and comment below on the comment section. Unatoka mtaa gani? Unatoka mtaa gani? Nairobi. Unapanda gari za wapi? Unapanda gari namba? Just comment below tujuane. So, let's do it.
The first lady, we make it hot. Hii track inaenda kwa wazi wote wa ma3, dere wa ma3, konda wa ma3, pia kama unapanda ma3. Necessary noise.
Boy, 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 that Kenyan boy make me heart skip a bit like boy. The way he move on the dance star boy. He a original Kenyan boy.
Yo, Wyre, the love child, Nazizi, the first lady, we make it hot. You know, we make it hot.
Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Nataka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Nataka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi.
Nilikutana na yeye nikipanda 23 kwenye bus stop akinicheki secretly. Jamaa wa so fly, yo karibu mini bleki, akapanda ma3 karibu na mikaketi. Immediately sikungoja sikusleki, nikajidai excuse me unafegi. Got his attention, sasa poa mambo deadly. Ni aje chali, vipi unaitwa nani? Mi naitwa Naz na Burundio.
How I wish madam tungekuwa na hiyo courage ya kuingiza boy box. I wish tungekuwa na hiyo courage, but hatuna. That's the reality. The reality is hatuna hiyo courage na hatuwezi. So I wish tungekuwa na hii courage ya Nazizi. Naingiza boy box, unakutana naye macho na kuingiza box, unampeleka home. I wish. But in real life, boring, ngumu. As always, guys, my hashtag is support Kenyan music. Let's support this music. Let's support our artists. And this is a TBT song. It was one of the best songs back in the days. Ilitesa kutesa. Nazizi na Wyre walitesa Kenya, walitesa East Africa. Kuna watu East Africa wako wanasikika wenye wanasikika sahizi. But these people walitesa. Walifanya collabos with Ugandans. It's a beautiful song. This song smart. This song smart.
And if you don't mind, twende around the mtaani. Burundio mtaani. Where you going to? Unashuka upande gani? And if you don't mind, twende around the mtaani. I like the way you smell, hiyo ni cologne gani? Umenibamba style nyingine deadly yani. Unapenda reggae, nina collection nyumbani. Tumefika kuja piga left hapa njiani. Pop some of that tuongee mambo flani.
Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Nataka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Nataka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Like the way she walk behind among her friends, yeah. Beautiful little makeup on her face, yeah. Little shy but she brave when she gypsy.
Wyre is still doing music, and he's still doing reggae music, and He's one of those few artists who remember reggae in Kenya, and his songs are selling internationally. He's so popular even in Jamaica. So Wyre is doing good in music. He's still in the music industry. I don't know about Nazizi, but what I know is she's a mother now. She's a mother of, I don't know, 2 or 3. Sijui but ako na watoto. Sijui kama bado anafanya muziki, but she's a radio presenter.
On the floor, on her waist like she gypsy. Gucci dress kinda high above her knees. Slim figure like a model from Venice. She be manicured, you know that be has tease. Kinda smile that I feel you. Not a man want to step up, you know them all afraid to walk up and be jealous. Them want to know her name. See all a man, them want to get her and buy her what she drink. To all of them, she like a threater. You know she be me Kenyan girl. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi.
Boy, that Kenyan boy make me heart skip a bit like boy. The way he ma move on the dance floor, boy. He a original Kenyan boy.
Critical when she bring her body close. When she wind up her body like a snake. Look at her body like the figure number 8. Make all the man pan the places it is.
Boy, that Kenyan boy make me heart skip a bit like boy. The way he ma move on the dance floor, boy. He a original Kenyan boy.
Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka
Mati za Nairobi zilianza kitambo kuchorwa. Hizi michoro zilianza kitambo. Hazijaanza saizi. But saizi is too much. Wamechora too much. At least za kitambo.
maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi.
Yo, my 3s are 2-3, West T 2-3.
The best part of this song. The best part of this song. My favorite part. Ndio hapa. Mtege masikio. Usipotee Nairobi. Just listen to this song. Usiwahi potea Nairobi.
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi. Kenyan girl, won't you come take a walk with me?
Namtaka chali wa Nairobi. Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi.
Yo, my 3s are 2-3, West T 2-3s are Jerry, Jerusana Outer 46, Hali Kileo Ngwaro Mogaka piga left hapo na kucheki 44 kahawa na Githurai Mwano tuko pamoja for life 58 Buru ongeza mahewa man 33 Mba Number 11 South B South C Omosh weka machuta Number 8 Kibich 19 Komana Number 4 Number 9 Isli Khalif Mzima Gitonga na Mwasa see you Number 15 LGT punguza mahewa Makarao wako kwa horizon My 3s are Dandot 110 up the river Asanteni kwa kumfikisha Wyre safe One love Pia 125 126 Did represent Tunakam Magare North Shuttle Massive My 3 zote sijataja Tuko pamoja kama mama Mabeste
Boy, that Kenyan boy, won't you come take a walk with me?
Oh, tunataka maji wa Nairobi.
Yo, my 3s are 2-3, West T 2-3s are Jerry, Jerusana Outer 46, Hali Kileo Ngwaro Mogaka piga left hapo na kucheki 44 kahawa na Githurai Mwano tuko pamoja for life 58 Buru ongeza mahewa man 33 Mba Number 11 South B South C Omosh weka machuta Number 8 Kibich 19 Komana Number 4 Number 9 Isli Khalif Mzima Gitonga na Mwasa see you Number Number 15, LGT, punguza mahewa. Makarao wako kwa horizon, matriza dandot 110 up the river. Asanteni kwa kumfikisha Wyre safe, one love. Pia 125, 126, Dage represent tunakam. Magare North, Shuttle Massive.
Comment below on the comment section. Unatoka mtaa gani? Comment below on the comment section. If you like this song, venye mimi nilipenda back in the days, ilikuwa smart sana, ilikuwa inatesa, ilikuwa kali, ilikuwa power, ilikuwa everything. So comment below in the comment section and give it a thumbs up the video because it's cool, it's smart, it's song smart. Just give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. I love you guys and let's meet on the next video. Bye.